Palestinian protester shot, injured in occupied West Bank. Israel conducts West Bank raids, 11 Palestinians detained. Erdogan calls for unity restraint following local polls. Saudi Arabia to host G20 summit in 2020. Egypt ramps up security ahead of constitutional polls. Sudanese demonstrate to demand civilian government. Sudan's ousted president not in prison, family source. PRO-Haftar forces lose strategic airport, Tripoli government. 205 killed in recent clashes near Libya capital, WHO. 195,000 suspected cholera cases in Yemen in 2019, NGO. Turkish leader congratulates Indonesian counterpart. Indians vote in second phase of general elections.